Hey guys, I know that Zoom is down right now, and that's really unfortunate. So I'm just going to give you a couple of instructions that will help you to complete this About Me Google site. Okay, this is what I would like you to work on for today. So down here, if you take a look how it says that you need to wait for my instructions to move forward, when you click on this link right here, it actually takes you to the Haiku page that has the information on how to make your interactive notebook, which is a Google site. Okay, and so if you look down here where it says to start, these are the steps that we're going to follow to create your Google site. So first you need to open your Google Drive, which is where I am right here. Your next step is that you need to press the New button. Then you need to go to More. And then you need to go down to where it says Google Sites and click on that. So now we wait for it to load. While we're doing that, okay, we've gotten to this point, so that's all we need to do. So once you get here, now this is all yours. You can do whatever you would like. So you can, this needs to be about you. So you include anything that's about you, okay? There are no really restrictions, there are no guidelines, it's simply just you. Anything that helps everybody understand you. This is all about you. So now once you complete your page, so I'm going to go back to here, and I'm actually going to use this that I made. Okay, so this is the example interactive notebook. Once you finish, so I'm going to go here. Let's just say I type About Me site. Okay, so let's say I finish, I've created my page. Now, if you look here, where it says stop, you have the steps to publish your page and then copy and paste your link into the discussion post. So your steps are not to share it with me. You need to click publish at the top of the page, then click publish again, and go to the publish button and click the purple arrow next to it. You then go to view published site, copy and paste the URL at the top of your published site, and paste it into the discussion post. So don't panic, I'm going to go through those steps right now. So first you press publish, okay, and then you're going to want to type about Mrs. Lice, okay, whatever you want it to be, it doesn't matter, and then you press publish. Okay, so now that it's published, this means that you can view the site. So you have to go up here to this little arrow and click on View Published Site, and that will take you to the page where you have all of your information. You will click this link up here, you will copy it, and then you will go back to Haiku or PowerSchool down here, and there's a discussion post where then you will create your post. And then you can say About Me site, and then paste your link there. And then that's where I will be able to see your post. Okay, so I'm going to cancel that because obviously I don't want to put a post in there for myself. You can either then do one of two things when you're done, or no, never mind. That's it. Okay, you obviously do not need to get this done today. This is just something that you should work on during the class period until we can figure out what's going on with Zoom. If you have any questions, please email me.